Good morning students. The last class example 12 13 completed. Now write down example 14, very important, and 8 marks problem. What is example 14? Find the coordinates of the points of trisection. The points of trisection of the line segment joining the points A2, -2 and B -7, 4. Very important problem. Already we covered this problem in exercise 7.2 second sum. Points of trisection. What is the model? Points of trisection. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of a segment joining the points A2, -2 and B -7, 4. So, what is the meaning of tri? Tri means 3. What is the meaning of tri? Tri means 3. 3 means, think about ratio. 2:1 and 1:2. So 1:2 and 2:1. Both together tri. So trisection means 2:1 and 1:2 or 1:2 and 2:1. Both together it is known as trisection. So write what is given. Given A2, -2. Let it be x1, y1. Name the second point as B -7, 4. Let it be x2, y2. Write the definition of points of trisection. Points of trisection definition. The points which divides the line segment joining Ax1, y1 and Bx2, y2 internally in the ratio 1:2 and 2:1. 1:2 and 2:1 is known as points of trisection. Points of trisection. So it is the definition of points of trisection. The points which divides the line segment joining Ax1, y1 and Bx2, y2 internally in the ratio 1:2 and 2:1 is known as points of trisection. So both 1:2 and 2:1. Then what formula we will write now? Ratio formula you know. What is ratio formula? P equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. That is ratio formula. Same matter. The point which divides the line segment joining Ax1, y1 and Bx2, y2 internally in the ratio m:n is. So I am not writing the complete matter again. Directly I am writing formula. Then first ratio we can do either 1:2 or 2:1. So first my choice is 1:2. Let it be m:(n). Let it be m:(n). Then substitute P equal to mx2. M means 1. What is x2? -7 plus nx1. N means 2. x1 means 2 by 1 plus 2. Again my2. M means 1. y2 means 4. ny1. N means 2. What is y1? -2 by 1 plus 2. Then P equal to -7 plus 2 2s are 4 by 3. 1 4s are 4 plus into minus. 2 2s are 4 by 3 means minus 3 by 3 comma 0 by 3. What is minus 3 by 3? 3 cancel one time. So minus 1 comma 0. So first one completed, minus 1 comma 0. So with 1 is to 2 we are getting minus 1 comma 0. Now do with 2 is to 1. Ratio becomes 2 is to 1 now. Let it be MN. Again substitute mx2 p, or you can write another letter mx2 2 into minus 7 plus nx1 1 into 2 by 2 plus 1 my2 2 into 4 plus ny1 1 into minus 2 by 2 plus 1. Then what we get? Minus 14 plus 2 by 3. 2 4s are 8, plus into minus, minus 2 by 3. So minus 12 by 3 comma 6 by 3. 3 how many times? 4 times. 3 how many times? 2 times. Minus 4 comma 2. So with 1 is to 2 we get the minus 1 comma 0. With 2 is to 1 we get minus 4 comma 2. Therefore the points of trisection are minus 1 comma 0 and minus 4 comma 2. Minus 1 comma 0 and minus 4 comma 2. So that is points of trisection. How we did the problem? What is the definition of points of trisection? 1 is to 2 and 2 is to 1 together known as points of trisection. First point A, let it be x1, y1. Second point B, let it be x2, y2. Write points of trisection definition. The points which divides the line segment joining ax1, y1 and bx2, y2 internally in the ratio 1 is to 2 and 2 is to 1 is known as points of trisection. Then write the formula. This is ratio formula. First do the problem with 1 is to 2. M value 1, N value 2. Then substitute all the values. 1 into minus 7, minus 7. 2 2s are 4. 1 into 4, 4. Plus into minus, minus. 2 2s are 4 by 3. Minus 3 by 3, comma 0 by 3. Minus 1, comma 0. Do the same problem with 2 is to 1. M value 2, N value 1. Again substitute all the values. 2 into minus 7, minus 14. 1 2s are 2 by 3. Again 2 4s are 8. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. So minus 4 comma 2. Therefore the points of trisection are minus 1 comma 0 and minus 4 comma 2. So that is example 14. Now see example 15. Write example 15 now. So example 15 is so what is example 15? It is also somewhat 8 marks, very big problem. Find the ratio in which find the ratio in which y-axis divides the line segment joining y-axis divides the line segment joining y-axis divides the line segment joining the points 5 comma minus 6 and minus 1 comma minus 4. Also find the point of intersection. Also find the point of intersection. So this is the problem. Okay na? So what is the problem? See again, read the problem. Meaning of the problem plays an important role. Find the ratio means we need to find out ratio in which y-axis divides the line segment joining the points 5 comma minus 6 and minus 1 comma minus 4. Also find the point of intersection. So two parts here. First part find the ratio. Second part find the point of intersection. Two parts are there. So we need to find out two parts. First part ratio means ratio formula, very clear to you. Second one point of intersection. Okay na? Then tell me first point A 5 comma minus 6, let it be x1 y1. B minus 1 comma minus 4, let it be x2 y2. What we need to find out? Number one ratio question mark and P also. P is what? Point of intersection. Here two parts. In the first part we need to find out ratio. In the second part we need to find out point of intersection. Formula, right? Ratio formula P equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. We don't know m value, n value. So write as this m what is x2 minus 1 plus n what is x1 5 by m plus n. My2 y2 means minus 4 ny1 minus 6 by m plus n. Then m into minus 1 minus 1m, n into 5 5n by m plus n. This is P. Then m into minus 4 minus 4m plus into minus minus n into 6 6n by m plus n. Then what axis? Y-axis. What axis? Y-axis. On y-axis x equal to 0. On y-axis x equal to 0. Out of these two, first one belongs to x, second one belongs to y, you know. So let us equate first one to 0. What is the first one? Minus 1m plus 5n by m plus n equal to 0 means 0 by 1. Do cross multiplication. Minus 1m plus 5n equal to m plus n into 0. 0. Then plus 5n is moving. So minus 1m equal to minus 5n. Minus minus cancel. Then 1 is moving to right side, n is moving to left side. m by n equal to 5 by 1 implies m is to n equal to 5 is to 1. Divided by means ratio. Then substitute here, this is m, this is n. P equal to, so first part completed, 5 is to 1. Second part substitute, minus 1 into m means 5 plus 5 into n means 1 by 5 plus 1. Again minus 4 into m means 5 minus 6 into n means 1 by 5 plus 1. So minus 5 multiply plus 5 by 6 comma minus 20 minus 6 by 6. So what we get? 0 by 6 minus 26 by 6. 2 table 13 times 3 times. So 0 comma minus 13 by 3. This is P. Point of intersection. First part ratio 5:1. Second part point of intersection 0 comma minus 13 by 3. So HW is do the same sums each one time. In the next class we see the remaining examples. Thank you students.